Why you should choose XIAOHUI Outdoor Projector Screen with Stand. Because it has the following features. Stability and adaptability. Our projector screen with stand is equipped with a sturdy metal stand, fixing ropes and 12 ground stakes, effectively preventing tipping from pet bumps and resisting outdoor wind. Its height-adjustable side poles, 67 to 83 inches, fit different seating layouts and enable easy leveling on carpet, grass, and slopes. The flat cross base, more convenient than bulky triangular bases, allows adding weights for enhanced indoor/outdoor stability. Portable and mobility. This portable projector screen set comes with a durable carry bag and folds down to a compact size for easy closet storage or transport. Lightweight at just 10.7 pounds, it's effortless for a single person to carry alone. The cross base is equipped with foam padding, allowing smooth movement between rooms or to a friend's house while ensuring scratch-free use and quiet operation. Easy setup. A single person can effortlessly finish assembling this large projector screen in just 15 minutes by following the manual, no complex tools required. All installation accessories are included in the package. Metal poles connect with threaded joints and the cross base is fixed with screws. Simply thread the poles through the black edging to install and fully tension the entire screen, making it quick to set up for both occasional movie nights and frequent projection events. Premium screen for visuals, boasts a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 150-inch diagonal screen size, delivering an expansive viewing area of 130 x 72 inches, perfect for both movies and presentations. The white matte screen enhances contrast and eliminates glare, compatible with short/ultra short throw projectors for stunning 3D HD, 4K picture quality. The screen is washable by hand or machine. Hang it vertically to dry or iron it to easily remove wrinkles. Multi-scene use. Crafted from durable thick fabric, this movie projector screen won't fade or yellow even with long-term use. Its cross-shaped base takes up minimal floor space, enabling permanent indoor setup of the movie projector screen for movie watching and gaming in bedrooms or home theaters. It's also an ideal movie projector screen for outdoor activities, such as watching football/rugby games with friends in the backyard, camping, and traveling. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.